Do you think you need eggs, butter, and milk to bake a cake? No. Today we are baking a cake with none of those, and trust me, it's still going to slap. So first thing first, you need your oil into your mixing bowl. You're going to add vanilla flavor, then you add warm water. Continue watching to see the reason why I'm using warm water for this recipe. You stir it all together. Then you add your flour into a sieve. You sieve your flour to remove any debris. You add your baking powder, you add your baking soda so that your cake will rise. You can see what remains in the sieve. That's why you need to sieve. So we're going to mix everything together. Then we add our sugar for sweetness. Everybody wants their cake to be sweet. So you are going to add your dry ingredients to your wet ingredients. You add it bit by bit so that it will not be overwhelming to mix, and it also prevents lumps from being present in your cake. The reason for adding warm water to this cake recipe is so that the sugar will be able to dissolve to make your cake more moist and soft. So you continue giving it a mix and you are going to get this consistency. It was too thick, so I added a little bit of water and I give it a mix, and this is what you want your cake batter to look like. So if you have gotten to this stage, you preheat your oven or your pot. For this recipe I'm using my pot for 5 minutes. Then you are going to put your cake batter into a pan, a greased pan especially, and then I'm doing this to remove air bubbles from the cake so that I will not see holes in our cake. So we are going to add it to the preheated pot and bake for 20 minutes on low heat. You know your cake is ready when you put your toothpick in it and it comes out clean. Can you guess the taste of this cake? So there you have it, a cake that's egg-free, butter-free, milk-free, but full of flavor and love. Would you actually be trying this recipe at home? This cake came out so moist and soft, like look at the inside. If you've gotten to this point of the video, please like, share and subscribe, and you can also check my channel for more delicious videos. I have different cake recipes on my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you in my next video.